Alright, now we can proceed. So here is our Boolean. What is the Boolean? Well, we have discussed it so many times. I think if I am to tell you again what you tell me. Okay, so what is Boolean? But for me, just one more time please. Boolean means 0 and 1 in binary form. Boolean are on and off in layman's form. Boolean are true and false in the programming form. And trust me, that is the most powerful tool that controls the flow of your code. And it makes you an efficient programmer and helps you to do the effective coding. Like if we put some condition, let's say we have a condition that go left if yellow board comes and go right if the red board comes. So we need to know that how that condition should function. One should be true and other should be false, and vice versa. Sometimes it is used to terminate the program or to end the program. If we reach a particular value, just end it up. And why it is used? Let me give you a very simple example. Imagine there is a classroom. There is a classroom of 60 students. And now we have gathered the data of the 60 students about anything. Just anything, their heights, weights, anything that you want. You have gathered the data. You have automated it through the Python. It has gone through the roll number 1 or the roll call 1 or the name 1, whatever. We just have to pass through those 60 students. So the easiest form is the roll number. Let's choose the roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and finally 60. And at the 60, there is no 61st student. So you have to tell your machine by the instruction which is program that this program must end, so that we can have the resultant output with the limited thing. Because if it starts giving the data of, let's say, 61, 62, 63 and you are just looking in your classroom, there are just 60 students, where these extra students are coming from. So that is one of the important things. At that point of the time, to control flow, we need it to be false, and when it becomes false, we can print it as this is the end of the program, and it will going to pop up on our screen as the output that that's it. You are only having 60 students. Good luck, better luck next time. That kind of thing you can do that way. Or sometimes you can give it a second path, like I am having 60 students, but that is one section or in one class, and I have, let's say, 50 or 60 classes. So I have defined everything. Now when it gets completed with the 60, it will change itself to the condition, and the next program or next set of instruction begins from there. Next set of instruction goes from there, and the next section of your class or next class, let's say, starts getting counted for that particular data. So here is a path change from the regular 60 students of the first class to the regular 60 or 70 or 100 student of the another class, of the second class or the third class, and so on. How many classes you want to add, that depends upon that. So this is one of the functionality of the true and false in the Boolean world. Well, if still you having doubt, just don't get worried, because in the practical section we are going to build everything together. And just remember, every single thing that you are learning here, just multiply it by 1000 or 10,000 times, and that much powerful it gets when you get to a project. We are just learning the basic foundations. As I told you, I am giving you the body. Building the muscles is your job. So let's come to the next one.